What is the best cloud computing hosting providers? At a time when going anywhere, at any conference, everyone encounters the trend of digital transformation. The term cloud computing must be no stranger to businesses. The best cloud service providers offer the opportunity for businesses to implement digital transformation to improve efficiency and reduce costs. Articles: What is the best cloud computing hosting providers? TimDoc 24 Hours will show you the best cloud storage provider. What is a cloud storage service provider? A corporation that offers consumers the capacity to store, manage, and access data and files online as opposed to on their own personal or business-owned servers or devices is known as a cloud storage service provider. Users of these services often pay a monthly or annual price for a particular amount of storage space, with services being supplied on a subscription basis. Numerous services, such as automated backups, file synchronization across different devices, file sharing, and access restrictions, are frequently provided by cloud storage companies. Additionally, some companies provide extra features like collaboration tools, cloud file editing, and app and service integration. Several well-known companies that offer cloud storage services are Dropbox, Google Drive, Microsoft OneDrive, iCloud, Amazon S3, and many more, to satisfy the demands of various users. These providers provide a variety of plans and prices, storage options, and services. For enterprises and organizations, some providers also provide enterprise-grade solutions, which may come with extra security features, compliance choices, and interfaces with other corporate systems. Because it enables users to access their files and data from any location and makes it simple to backup and store large amounts of data without having to invest in costly hardware and infrastructure. Cloud storage is growing in popularity. Advantages of cloud computing hosting providers. Hosting services for cloud computing offers a number of benefits to both people and enterprises, including cost-effective, pay-as-you-go pricing models are available from cloud hosting providers, allowing companies to only pay for the resources they really utilize. Compared to spending money on expensive technology and infrastructure that might not be used to their full potential, this can be more cost-effective. Scalability. Businesses can swiftly adjust to variations in demand thanks to cloud hosting providers' easy resource scaling up and down capabilities. Accessibility. As long as a user has an internet connection, cloud hosting services enable users to access their data and apps from any location. For firms with many locations or remote personnel, this might be very helpful. Reliability. To guarantee high uptime and availability, cloud hosting services often have many data centers and make use of cutting-edge technologies in comparison to an internal IT infrastructure. This may offer a more dependable service. Security. To safeguard the information kept on their servers, cloud hosting services employ cutting-edge security methods. This covers firewalls, intrusion detection systems, and encryption. Automated updates. Since cloud hosting companies normally manage server upkeep and upgrades, businesses don't need to worry about managing and maintaining their own IT infrastructure. Backup and disaster recovery services are widely available from cloud hosting providers, and they may help shield enterprises against data loss. Collaboration. Cloud hosting companies frequently feature facilities for file sharing and collaboration, making it simpler for team members to work together on projects no matter where they are located. Flexibility. Cloud hosting companies provide organizations the freedom to pick the services that best suit their needs from a broad range of options. From straightforward hosting to sophisticated corporate solutions. Eco-friendly. The utilization of renewable energy by cloud hosting companies helps minimize enterprises' carbon footprints. The best cloud computing hosting providers. Microsoft Azure. The cloud computing platform and service known as Microsoft Azure was developed by Microsoft. Businesses and organizations can utilize a variety of services provided by it, including as computing power, storage, and networking, to develop, implement, and manage applications and services. Software as a service, platform as a service, and infrastructure as a service are all offered by Microsoft Azure, SaaS, with Azure. Programmers may construct and distribute apps using a variety of tools, frameworks, and programming languages, including as .NET, Java, Python, and more. Additionally, a variety of services are available for data management, analytics, and machine learning, as well as for blockchain, the Internet of Things, IoT, and other technologies. To assist organizations in safeguarding their data and applications, Azure also provides a number of security and compliance capabilities. This covers functions including identity and access management with Azure Active Directory, AD, security management with Azure Security Center, and data protection with Azure Information Protection. Additionally, Azure provides a flexible pricing structure that enables companies to only pay for the resources they really use and scale up or down as necessary. For corporations, this may save expenses and increase productivity. More than 200 locations throughout the world provide Azure, which is utilized by companies of various kinds. From tiny startups to huge corporate firms, it is regarded as one of the top cloud service providers with a significant market share. Advantages of Microsoft Azure. There are several benefits that companies and organizations may get from using Microsoft Azure. Scalability. Businesses can simply scale their resources up or down with Azure as needed, which can help to save expenses and boost productivity. Flexibility. Because Azure supports a broad variety of programming languages, frameworks, and tools, developers may build and deploy applications using the tools they are most accustomed to utilizing. Global accessibility. Businesses can deploy their apps and services near to their users and customers thanks to Azure's availability in more than 200 regions across the world. Security and regulatory compliance. Azure provides a number of security and regulatory compliance capabilities, including as Azure Active Directory, AD, for identity and access management, Azure Security Center for security management, and Azure Information Protection for data protection. Azure has hybrid features that make it simple for companies to link their on-premises infrastructure with Azure services. Cost savings and efficiency gains may result from this. Economical. Azure has a pay-as-you-go pricing structure that enables companies to only pay for the resources they really utilize. Compared to purchasing expensive hardware and infrastructure, this may be more cost-effective. Automated backups and disaster recovery. Azure provides these services, which may aid in securing organizations against data loss. Various services. Azure provides a variety of services, from fundamental processing and storage to sophisticated data management, analytics, and machine learning capabilities. Integration with other Microsoft services. By integrating with other Microsoft services like Office 365 and Dynamics 365, Azure may enhance productivity and teamwork. Strong ecosystem. Azure is a component of a robust ecosystem of partners, developers, and independent software vendors, ISVs, that may offer a variety of tools and services to integrate and improve Azure's capabilities for organizations. Disadvantages of Microsoft Azure. Microsoft Azure provides a number of benefits, however it also has certain drawbacks. Complexity. Due to Azure's extensive offering of features and services, it can be challenging for enterprises to comprehend and manage. The implementation and management of Azure services may be